Hi everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to be making sticky chicken. Go ahead and add in salt, pepper. You're going to add in some smoked paprika. Make sure you cube your chicken as well. Cut it however kind of thick you want. Bite size would be preferable. But you're also going to then add in some onion powder. You're going to add in some chili powder as well, as I'm trying to get the tops off of these. And then you're going to want to add in some of that cornstarch. It's basically just going to make a little bit coating for the chicken, crisp it up a little bit, so it's not like grilled chicken. As you can see, I did not do that properly. I got it all over my shirt. So then you're going to switch to a spoon and mix that all together and just let it sit there for a second as your skillet starts to preheat on medium heat. But once that's all mixed in, everything's preheated, you put your oil in, you're going to dump that chicken in, and you're going to get that cooking. And in the meantime, we are going to make the spicy mayo. So basically, you're going to do a half cup of mayo. And I'll put all the measurements in my description because it's a lot of measurements. But this spicy mayo is basically mayonnaise, sriracha, and then water. You're going to want to mix that all together and then go ahead and put that in the fridge, basically to get it nice and cool. And like I said, all the measurements are going to be in the description because there's about to be a lot of them right here making the sauce. So the sauce that's going to be used for the chicken, we're going to use soy sauce. So basically, I'm not even have my pan on right now. I just want to get a few ingredients in before I start simmering it. But basically, you're going to do soy sauce. That's a rice vinegar sauce. You're going to do honey. So here's the honey. And then after the honey, I go ahead and start turning the heat on a little bit. You're going to want it on low. You're going to do minced garlic. I did 3 spoonfuls of minced garlic. You're going to want to add sriracha in again. So here is the sriracha going into the sauce again. You're going to want to do, it's a sesame oil in right here. And you're basically going to mix that in. And then you're going to add in some of this ground mustard here in a second. So go ahead and sprinkle that in. And then continue to mix it as it thickens up. Once it's done, go ahead and take it off the heat and just mix it. Let it cool down for a second. The chicken was done, so we're going to mix it all together here and get all that sauce in with the chicken. Mix it all together right here. Go ahead and cook. You can do white rice or brown rice as well. I did white rice with this. And go ahead and put the chicken on top of the white rice and sprinkle however much you want on. And then put the spicy mayonnaise on again. So just drizzle that all over. And then you're going to want to top it with some sesame seeds, however much you like. But just look at this. It's so good. It's a little bit more complicated, but enjoy.